download the latest version of the Big Bear XP software. The file name may differ from this, but it will start with BBXP. Double-click the installer, or use the mouse menus to open the program. Follow the instructions requested by the installer. Select the default option as shown. The computer is connected to my DCC controller. The lower option is for specialist situations. Wait for the application to complete installation. Press Finish. If you wish to check the installation, you may run the services from the Start menu. Look for 2 new services as shown below. If you examine their properties, they should both be running. The Big Bear XP DCC controller service contains all the main functions and is responsible for communicating with your controller system. The Big Bear XP HTML server provides the functions that operate the screens and allow a web browser to display your track and locomotives. The screens are accessed from a new group, Big Bear DCC, in the Start menu. You need to select the correct links for your computer. There are special links for Windows 10 and for the Microsoft Surface tablets. For Windows 8 and Windows 7, you should select the Chrome option, making sure that you have the latest version of Chrome installed. The link will open a browser like this, and after a short while will show a sample layout. Let's have a quick look around. The Preferences tab lets you configure the screen layout that suits you best. These will be covered in more detail in other instructional videos. Additional menu options will load a throttle on its own. You can have as many throttles open as you wish, though the main screen has handy ways of making it easy to control more than one train at a time. We'll now cover how you connect the Big Bear to your DCC controller.
If your screen looks full brightness, and you are able to click accessories, you are connected to the local service, but your software still needs to be configured to talk to your DCC controller system. First, make sure that your DCC controller is wired up, switched on, and connected to the computer via the USB cables provided with your hardware. If all is well, when you enter the Preferences tab, one or more controllers will be listed in the controller type drop-down list. Select the correct one. Also, select the correct COM port. The Big Bear will do its best to select the right one automatically, but if need be, open up the Windows Device Manager to locate the port and identify the COM port used by your controller. Be aware that this port can sometimes change from one day to the next, so watch out. Finally, select a baud rate. This is more important if you are using older hardware with a real serial lead rather than a USB connection, as you tend to find on modern systems. Leave it at 57,600, and if you have issues connecting, try lower values. If your controller is not showing up in the list, or a COM port is not visible, try reconnecting by means of this reconnect button. This error screen means you have lost contact with the Big Bear XP DCC controller service. Open up Windows Services, then make sure that it is running. Once the service is running again, wait a short while and Big Bear should regain contact and the track become visible again. In the event that it doesn't regain contact automatically, press the connect button.
That is you all set up. Please refer to other videos for more detailed instructions on using the Big Bear software. If your railway computer is connected to the internet, these videos will be available through the Help tab. In any case, visit the Big Bear website at www.bigbearail.com. If you have difficulties connecting your DCC system to your computer, please contact your supplier, or the manufacturer's support team.